Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy A15. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A15 and now you want to make a hard reset to your device, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to any PC or any Samsung device with charging cable, and after doing that you have to make sure that you have a backup of your data because it will remove or erase everything from your phone. It might be photos, videos, apps or your accounts and much more. So you just have to make a backup and then you can easily make your hard reset. So let's see how you can easily do this on your lock screen or home screen. For this you just have to press and hold the volume down and power button at the same time until your screen goes black, and then shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo. So let's do this. First press and hold volume down and power button at the same time and wait for your screen goes fully black, and it will take a while, so you just have to wait for it. And after that just shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo. Now release all the button and wait for the second step. So here's the second step. Basically it has opened your phone BIOS, so you just have to make a setup here, but you have to keep in mind that your touch won't work here. You just have to use these three buttons. So let's see how. First of all, if you want to move down, so you just have to press the volume down, and if you want to go up, so press volume up. For selection just press the power button. So you have to go from search for wipe data and factory reset here, just like this. Just move the cursor to that and then select or press the power button, and then move to the factory data reset and then just press your power button. And here you just have to select reboot system. Now just press power button here, and after that it will make a hard reset to your device. So you just have to wait for your phone until it's power on. So after that you can easily make a fresh new start of your device. It will make a hard reset and it will remove everything from your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.